The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Angelina County in eastern Texas. This includes the cities of Lufkin, Diboll, Nacogdoches County in eastern Texas. This includes the city of Nacogdoches, San Augustine County in eastern Texas, western Shelby County in eastern Texas. This includes the city of Center, extreme southeastern Cherokee County, southern Panola County. This includes the city of Carthage, southeastern Rusk County, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along the line extending from Minden to 36 miles south of Diboll, or along the line extending from 7 miles south of Henderson to 36 miles south of Diboll, and moving east at 45 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Trump, Hudson, Pine Hill, Garrison, Huntington, Woden, Melrose, Kimpson, Martinsville, Iboyle, Tenneha, Newville, McCune, Bland Lake, and San Augustine. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Angelina, Cherokee, Nacogdoches, Panola, Rusk, San Augustine, and Shelby.